So, ayan. Yan yung itsura niya, guys. So, you just have to press enter. And then, sa LCD, lalabas na dyan yung Cavitation 40K Trifolder RF and then the Multipolar RF. So, try natin tong Cavitation 40K. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's me, Sheila. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and then hit that notification bell as well, so you guys are updated every time I upload a new video. So for today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my recent online purchase, which is, kung nakita nyo naman sa title, this is the 3-in-1 Cavitation Ultrasonic Weight Loss Beauty Machine. So this one is, I'm going to unbox the machine that I got from Lazada. So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung inclusion and kung ano yung purpose ng machine nito. I have the machine here and andito yung box in front of me, and eto siya, guys. So, there. So, malaki siya. Ayan. So, ayan siya, guys. And, dito yung machine sa loob. So, let's open it and papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng box para makita natin kung gaano siya kalaki. And, of course, guys, babasahin ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga claims ng products na to and kung ano yung inclusion inside the box. So, first, guys, when you open it, andito yung manual sa ibabaw. So, there. So, 40K Blasting Fat RF Multipolar Slimming Instrument. So, ayan. So, ito yung manual niya. So, I'm just going to put it there. Yan. So, ito siya, guys. Tanggalin natin yung mga styro dyan sa harapan. Ay! So, first, ito. And then, meron siyang tatlong head ba yung tawag dyan? So, there. Ayan. So, tatlo sila. So, meron siyang tatlong head. So, ito yung biggest. Ayan. So, this one is for the body. And I think ito yung Cavi. So, mamaya babasahin natin, guys. So, there. Tas ito yung cord niya. So, ayan, naka-attach lang naman siya dyan. So, there. So, naka-ano pa yan. So, hindi ko pa kasi yan nagagamit. And then, you also have this one. This. I think this is RF for the body kasi it's big. Yeah. So, the last one is this one. Ito yung small. I think this one is for the face. So, later, ano'y natin para sure tayo. So, there. So, and also, you have the cord. Yung cord. And then, may fuse siya nakasama. Ito, hindi ko alam kung para saan to kasi sobrang liit ng fuse. And then, okay, you have this one. This is the stand of the Lipo Cavi. So, everything that you need about the machine, guys, is inside the manual. So, I'm just going to read some few operating instruction. It's here kung paano mo gagamitin, kung saan mo isasaksak. It's there. Kung ano yung mga functions niya. And then, also, functions and principle of operation, it's here also. And scope of application, kung saan mo siya pwedeng gamitin. Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa arms, legs, thighs, back, abdomen, and other parts. Tapos, ayun. And then also method of operation. Body parts, excluding the face. And also, nandito rin the proposed method of operation and how to use it sa thigh, sa buttocks, sa back, sa arm, sa abdomen, and then sa facial. So, everything that you need is here. Kung paano mo siya gagamitin, kung anong klaseng stroke yung gagamitin mo. Dito, pag sa abdomen, pag ganyan, pag sa arms, ayan, as you can see there, pag sa thigh, may instruction din, and may parang meron kang guide kung paano yung stroke going up or going down. And also, dyan sa back, and then sa face, may strokes din siya. Also, guys, nandito rin yung mga people that are not suitable to use this machine. So, basahin natin. Baka, in case you're planning to get this one, bawal ka naman palang gumamit. So, yeah. People with, ayan, may mga wounds, bawal mo siyang gamitin. Suffering from skin disease, epilepsy, we're forbidden to do this. Cancer patient, and then meron kang acute heart disease, bawal siya. Pregnant women, lactating women during menstruation, bawal siyang gamitin. Serious illness such as heart disease, gastric ulcer, tapos stomach problems, ulcer, high blood pressure, abdominal surgery, less than 3 months, bawal siya. With diabetes, we're forbidden to do this. So, with diabetes, bawal din siya. With metal or silicone in the body, we're forbidden to do this. And then, ayan. So, yun yung mga bawal gumamit ng machine na to. And then, cautions. And then, Yan, Chinese na yung nakasulat dyan sa next page. So, before ko basahin guys yung benefits ng machine na to, I'm going to read kung ano bang difference ng ultracavitation sa radio frequency. So, ang ultracavitation is uses scientifically proven non-invasive technology to break down unwanted fats. So, yun yung ginagawa niya, binibreak down niya yung mga unwanted fats natin. While si radio frequency naman guys is a non-invasive heat treatment that helps tighten, contour, and refine deeper lines of skin over the face and body. So, ang ginagawa niya, siya naman yung taga-tighten. While si cavitation, siya yung taga-break ng mga fats. Ayan. So, partner talaga sila. So, after mo ng Cavi, you have to do RF. Para after ma-melt ng mga taba, ita-tighten naman ng RF yung mga na-melt na taba dyan sa katawan natin. So, ayan. So kaya ko siya binili guys kasi ang dami kong cellulite sa legs. And, syempre, kailangan ko rin siya sa tummy ko to break down the fats. And, alam niyo na, syempre, nanghanak na ako para naman medyo matighten yung tummy natin. And, yan, sa arms ko rin. Kailangan ko din yan. So, I hope this one is going to work for me. So, syempre, sasabayan ko ng exercise. Kasi kung ito lang, hindi naman talaga mag-work lang yan. So, kailangan mo sabayan ng diet, exercise, and eto. So, update ko kayo guys if this is going to be effective for me. So, yan. Gagawa tayo ng weight loss journey natin. Kasi, medyo motivated na ako mag-diet this month. June, July, yan. Medyo mas okay na mag-exercise kasi hindi na ganun kainit. So, yan. Babasahin ko yung benefits ng machine na to para alam natin. So, basahin natin yung function ng machine na to. So, this one is the Ultrasonic 40K cellulite slimming machine. Can break up fats instantly and powerfully. So, remove facial wrinkle. Sorry yung electric fan. Kasi hindi ako nag-on ng aircon, nag-ingay. Yan, wait lang. So, going back, remove facial wrinkle, dilute facial freckles, and then eliminate extra fat cellulite. The skin gets whiter and smoother. So, parang hindi naman totoo yung whiter. Tignan natin ha. And then also firm eyes, smooth eye wrinkle, fade eye, black circle. Since shrink pores, tightens loose skin, remove double chin. Yeah, kailangan ko to. And promote metabolism, enhance luminosity of the skin, dissolve fat, lymphatic drainage, enhance blood circulation, accelerate the decomposition of fat, keep you a slim body figure. Wow, hindi nga. Fat reduction and body remodeling, adjustable intensity to meet your demand, low energy and high frequency, safe and effective. So, this machine guys is non-invasive and ang kagandahan niya is, ayun nga, adjustable intensity to meet your demand. And also, low energy, high frequency, safe and effective. So, yun yung functions ng machine. And then, 50 watts siya, 110 volts to 220 volts. Tapos, weight 2,300 grams. Ayan. So, na-plug in ko na siya, guys, and ipapakita ko siya sa inyo. So, this one, ayan. So, meron siya dito, cavitation, tripolar, and then multipolar RF. So, press mo to. So, yan. Meron siyang mode A and then mode B. So, para mas makita nyo, guys, I'm just going to insert a clip after this video. So, this is the machine, guys. I already plug it in. Tapos, yan yung itsura niya. So, nilagay ko na siya dito sa lagayan niya. And then, yan na yung tatlong heads. Tapos, ito yung, tawag dito, for the Cavi. Tapos, yung dalawang RF for the body and for the face. So, ayan. So, yung on and off button niya is at the back of the machine. So, you just have to turn it on or turn it off. Yun lang yung ipipress mo. And then, there. Yan yung itsura niya. Wait. So, ayan. Yan yung itsura niya, guys. So, you just have to press enter. And then, sa LCD, lalabas na dyan yung Cavitation 40K Tripolar RF and then the Multipolar RF. So, try natin tong Cavitation 40K. So, wait. Yan, dito, may nakalagay lang siya na mode A, B, C, and D. And then this one, I think this one is the timer. Tapos this one is the intensity. Kung gaano siya kainit or gaano kataas yung intensity nung level nung gagamitin mo. So this one, I'm still trying to figure it out kung para saan yung mga mode. Kasi wala siya doon sa manual. So, There. So, you just have to, start kung mag-start ka na and then pause. Kung pause, tas exit. So, exit muna tayo. So, let's check the tripolar. Same thing with the tripolar. Meron din siyang mode A, B, C, and D. Tapos, ito, there's a timer also and then, of course, yung intensity niya. And then, start, pause, and exit. Same thing with the cavitation. Tapos, the multipolar, meron siyang A, B, C, D mode also. Ayun, halos lahat sila parehas lang. Pero I'm still figuring out comparison yung mga mode nila. So, yun. Update ko na lang kayo guys. But this is the machine looks like. Ayan na siya. So, there. So, hindi ko pa siya madedemo kasi hindi ko alam comparison yung mga mode niya. So, pag na figure out ko na comparison yun, saka ko lang siya madedemo. So, maybe sa next video na yun guys. That is it guys for this video. I'll be putting the link in the description box in case you want to get this product. Ayan. So, ayun lang for this video guys. And I hope this video helps. And if it does, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hope to see you on my next one. Bye!